We're in Mount San Jacinto State Wilderness, and we're working in the Round Valley campground. And what we're doing is adding to a meadow restoration project that was done here in 2009. So we've been working since 2010 to reconstruct the trail around the meadow and then reconstruct the campsites and the trails to the campsites. So this is a really unique ecology up here because you don't usually see large, widespread meadows at 9,000 feet in Southern California. This is a really unique resource, a really unique area for the people of Southern California to come visit. People come from many other countries and they come to the tram. And they come up and they hike the Round Valley Loop Trail, they hike to these meadows and they see what we have here. The wetlands up here is sensitive. It's been impacted heavily through use and activity over the last several decades. If we don't do something here to take care of it now, it's going to be lost to future generations. The trails are really an important aspect to bringing people into these areas and doing it responsibly and doing it in a way that protects the land and the resources and the waterways that they're coming to enjoy. When we do trail work, we have a sustainability mindset. And so the way we design trails is to make them as invisible to the land and to the hydrology of that watershed as possible. A lot of times when you see unhealthy water systems and unhealthy meadows, it's because they're getting a significant amount of sedimentation from roads or trails that are above them. So the more often we can be thoughtful about how we're putting new roads and trails in, or the more often we can really put the effort and the energy into going back and redoing the mistakes that we might have made in the past and trying to make those right, we should be pursuing that. The Cannabis Watershed Protection Program has offered a really new way and a new tool to doing that. Looking at these watersheds that have been impacted really significantly and investing the time, the money, the resources, and bringing in more people, more disciplines to work together to make those projects be successful. It's really a win-win because it discourages the illegal activity, it discourages the destructive behavior to the watersheds, to the landforms, but also it helps fulfill the goal of the state parks, which is providing recreational opportunities for the people of California.